Rapid e-learning is the need of the hour for almost all industries, the manufacturing sector being one of them. Here's how it can benefit in several ways from rapid e-learning services. Rapid e-learning allows for the quick creation and deployment of training materials. Manufacturing companies can rapidly develop e-learning modules, interactive simulations, and assessments to train their workforce on various topics such as product assembly, equipment operation, safety protocols, and compliance guidelines. Companies can create consistent training modules that ensure all employees receive the same level of knowledge and skills regardless of their physical location. This helps in maintaining quality standards, improving product consistency, and reducing errors in manufacturing processes. Rapid e-learning services significantly reduce these costs as the training can be conducted online, eliminating the need for physical infrastructure and travel expenses. Additionally, once the e-learning modules are developed, they can be reused and updated easily, resulting in long-term cost savings. Rapid e-learning allows manufacturing companies to update and modify e-learning modules in response to new technologies, process improvements, or regulatory changes. Furthermore, as the manufacturing sector expands or new employees join, e-learning modules can be easily scaled up to accommodate the growing workforce without significant logistical challenges. Many rapid e-learning solutions offer mobile compatibility, allowing employees to access training materials anytime, anywhere, and on any device. This is especially beneficial for manufacturing companies with a dispersed workforce or those operating across multiple shifts. Rapid e-learning services provide the manufacturing sector with a cost-effective, flexible, and efficient way to deliver training and improve workforce knowledge and skills. If you are looking to get started with rapid e-learning, make sure you check out this ebook for a seamless rollout. Thank you for watching.